Welcome class 5 in your science class, and we have discussed in my last class that what type of plants are there who hunts the other plants or the other insects for their nutrition. So we came to know the Venus flytrap, and one example is given in your book, that is pitcher plant. And after that we have completed a table where the size, according to the size of the seeds, different kinds of things we have to complete it. So we made that list. We have completed which seeds have the rough surfaces, which are having the smooth surfaces. Now one question or the another question given here, there we have to make the list of few things. So I have already made, so I will dictate that so that it will be easy for you to write and to understand. So the first question in our make list of first question is given here: seed that are used as spices in your home. So what are the seeds there which we use for the spices? We know there is a cumin seed, there is a mustard seed, there is a poppy seed, there is a coriander seeds. There are lots and lots of seeds are there which we use as spices. Even the pepper, black pepper is also a kind of seeds which we use for our spices. So there are so many seeds. So the first answer or the first question, seeds that are used as spices in our home are mustard, aniseed, cumin seed, etc. So I have given 3 names, and you can add more few names. You can add coriander seeds, you can add poppy seed, you can add different kind of some different kind of masalas like black pepper, you can add long. These all are the seeds, so you can add these all. And what do you understand by any seed? Any seed means soft or mori. Okay, so the next question or the next list what we have made here, the next list is seeds of vegetables. So in which vegetables we can see the seeds? Can you guess? Brinjal is there, isn't it? We can see lots of seeds inside the brinjal. Now I have made as a list for the vegetables in which we can see the seeds. So the second answer, seeds of vegetables are lady's finger. Lady's finger we can see, in which we can see lots of seeds. Now next one is the tomato. We will just cut the tomato. We will see the two halves of the tomato. We will see there are so many seeds. So tomato is again there. Next one is cucumber, and you know you love to eat cucumber, no? And along with these seeds are very soft. We can easily chew them and we can eat them. So these all are the seeds which we can see inside the vegetables. Except this, we can write few more names, we can add few more names. So what are they? Maybe brinjal is there, and some other seeds, chilies are there, green chilies are there, and other kinds of like gourd is there. So in these vegetables also we can see seeds are there. Okay, now the next list, and the third question is given here, the seeds of the fruit. So in which fruit we can see the seeds? So yeah, more or less every fruit we can see the seeds, no? Except it when the fruits are just converted from other parts than the ovary. So generally we find the fruits from this. Just one thing we have seen, the apple is not a true fruit, no, it is a false fruit. That's why we see the seeds, but this seed portion is out of the out of this apple, fleshy part of the apple, that is actually placenta. And in between the placenta we can see only a small mark is there, in which we can see few seeds are there, and these few seeds are present. Actually that is the fruit part. So that's why I didn't write the name of the apple, because apple is not a true fruit. So we have write the seeds in which fruits we can see. Guava is there, mango is there, and then papaya is there, and we can write some other name. Okay, so you can add few more names. Now the seeds which are light in nature. So we have seen that few seeds dispersed by the wind, or the wind is the agent for few seeds to disperse it from one place to another. And we know maple, hiptage, and papaya, maple, hiptage, poppy, cotton, these all can be scattered with the help of the wind or the explosion. So they are very light in nature. That's why they are exploded away from their mother plant, as they are very I mean light in weight. So the wind can easily carry them. Okay, so I didn't write it here, the hiptage and madar. We have written some common names. So whatever the light seeds here, the mustard, poppy and cumin as well as cotton seeds are there, which are very light in weight, so wind can easily carry them. Okay, now the next one is seeds which are flat. So have you seen the seeds which are flat in shape? So few types of fruits you will see, or few kinds of things like sesame and watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. If you will watch their seeds very carefully, you will see these all seeds are flat. They are not round in shape, they are flat in shape. Okay, and the next question is, make some more groups. How many groups of seeds did you make? So few of the groups we have seen, and now more few groups we can make of our own. So I have made 2 and 3 categories of the seeds, and categories in which you can make the list of the seeds, and 2 you will make. So 3 categories and 3 groups I have already made, and 2 you will make. So what are these 3 categories? First one is make more groups. In a first category I have given edible seeds. So there are so many seeds which we eat, like green peas we eat, all kinds of dal, they are pulses, you can say. These all are actually seeds, isn't it? So the sabut dal, or you can say the whole grains, are actually seeds. So these are the edible seeds, like corn is there, and this thing, all kinds of rajma, kidney beans, chickpeas, these all are the seeds which we eat. And next category is seeds from which oil is extracted. As we know, coconut seed, mustard seed, olive seed, these all are the seeds by which we can extract the oil. Now the next one is seeds with rough coat. So this you will find and write the name, then I'll discuss. Okay, so that's all for the day. In my next class I will see some more questions related to seeds. So thank you, have a nice day.